Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today is a different type of video. Today I'll be showing you what is Plume and how you can get rid of it. This is going to be a short video. This is from a box of 25 that sat in the bottom of a humidor, and as you can see, it's got some white spots on it. Now this is called Plume. Plume is a beginning of a development of mold, and if it gets any further into the cigar, it can ruin the cigar. But as of now, the cigar is smokable. Now you can either use a piece of cloth, or I just use my fingers and then wash my hands afterwards. What you literally do is wipe all of this off. It comes off very nicely. Some people use a brush. I've seen other people use a brush. I just use my fingers all around. And now the most important thing is to inspect the bottom to see that there's no white stuff at the bottom. If it has, it means that the mold has started growing into the cigars, and in that case what you have to do is you have to cut off the edge. Now if you cut off and you still see there's more mold, it means that the cigar is moldy and has to be thrown in the bin. So there you go. This is how you repair a cigar that has some plume. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.